Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm SeanSolo RC, and today is mail day once again, and I got my motors that I ordered for my 3-inch drone that I got. Let me see, this is the 1407 3600KV, the blue ones from HGLTech, and these are supposed to be really cool motors, and I can't wait to open it up and see what we got. Okay, so let's open this guy up here. Let's see. The blue, that's what I wanted, that's what I ordered. And okay. It's the nut there. Got the blue. So it'll at least color match with my blue drone that I got, my blue 3-inch drone. HF1407 3600KV. That's it, from HGLTech. Let's take a look at that bad boy here. Look at that. Man, this thing is so smooth. Look at that. I do want to say there's a difference when you get these smaller motors. You can even get smaller than this, and what they don't have the threaded end on here for the prop to go. It's basically like it's just a smooth one, pretty much like the brush motors that you would find on the little mini micros. Those actually work pretty good still. I have a 2-inch drone that I have, and it's got the smooth end on it. I don't know what it's called at this point. It's on the tip of my tongue, but anyways, those stay on there pretty good. So, but the bigger the motor gets, obviously, you know, you can't have just the slide-on propeller at that point, because it's going to spin up and it's going to be loose. Also, I want to point out the fact that you know, this is I bought all 4 clockwise threaded ends here, because if you happen to lose your nylon threaded nut on here, good luck going to a hardware store if you've purchased the counterclockwise. Good luck trying to get a counterclockwise nylon nut this size at the hardware store. It's next to impossible. You're going to have to, you know, order it from special order, like maybe Amazon or GearBest or Banggood, and from wherever you go to get your drone parts. And that can be a quite pain. Instead of just running down to the hardware store and say, hey, I need an M5 nylon nut, threaded nut, and you're good to go. Now the reason some people would get 2 clockwise and 2 counterclockwise, right? So you have different spinning for your drones, right? And the ones that spin counterclockwise, they want to have the thread on there so that when the motor spins, it doesn't loosen the nut and propeller fly off. Well, see, if you have a nylon nut, that's good enough. All my motors I swapped out, and now I'll have clockwise spinning motors, and I mean, you know, clockwise threaded, not spinning, clockwise threaded motors, and I've never had any of the nuts come off the prop, the end of the prop. You put this on there good, a little bit of Loctite, and you're all set. So that it shouldn't be a problem at all. I've never had a problem. But yeah, these motors are great, and I can't wait to put these on my new build, which I am gonna be doing in just a second. So let's cut and get right back to it. Okay, so I put my motors on this frame here that I got, and I have to say it works pretty good. It is really close. You've got some close clearance here from the frame and the propellers, but I think that it's going to be just fine. Even on the back side here, if you look, it's got just some good clearance going on, so there really shouldn't be an option. So I think this is a good choice of motors and props. These are my little 3-inch props, and I'm just excited because I think this is going to be a great build, and I can't wait to see it completely done. And anyways, just give me all your thoughts, your comments, and everything that you can think of here. In case I missed something, please subscribe to help me get this channel going, to help people introduce them to FPV flying, and that would be great. Thank you so much.